When someone meets you and asks you how are you doing, what do you say? Usually you say, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you is grammatically correct, but don't you think we overuse it? Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are having a great day. So today I'm going to tell you better alternatives to use instead of saying I'm fine, thank you. So let's start. First phrase is I'm great. Thanks for asking. Next phrase is I'm pretty good. Another way of saying is I'm doing well. What about you? Next is I'm fantastic. Thanks. I'm doing alright. Thanks. Next is I'm hanging in there. Next is I'm feeling pretty blessed today. I'm doing okay. Thanks. Next is I'm feeling energized. Next is I'm feeling motivated. I'm feeling productive today. I am feeling refreshed today. Next phrase you can use is not bad. Next phrase is couldn't be better. Next is never been better. I'm feeling grateful. Next phrase is I'm doing phenomenal today. Next phrase is I'm feeling content. You can say I'm feeling optimistic. Next phrase you can say is I'm feeling blissful. Next is I'm feeling rejuvenated. Next is I'm so excited today. Next phrase you can say is I'm superb. Thanks for being considerate. Next phrase is I'm splendid. Thanks for your kind words. Next creative way of responding is I'm thriving. Thanks for your support. Do you know what is meant by thriving? Thriving means to be successful, means to develop successfully or being prosperous. Next phrase you can say is I'm feeling empowered. Imagine you are riding in an elevator and the person next to you asks, how are you doing? You can't tell him or her that I'm not feeling well or I have that problem. So, he is not your close one. So how would you respond to him? Would you start telling him the problems you are facing in your real life? Not at all. Because strangers don't care about your problems, neither they are interested in it. So your reply should be short and to the point. You can say, not bad, I'm good, and I'm alright. Here comes another situation. Your friend asks you, how are you doing? Now it's the right time to share your feelings. You can tell your friends what's going on in your life. You can say, oh, I'm so exhausted. You can tell I'm so stressed out. I have been better. And then you can tell him what's going on in your life. What are the problems you are facing these days? You can say I am under the weather or I have been under the weather. By the way, I am under the weather is an idiom. If you want to learn about idioms, do let me know in comment section below. You can say I have been busy. You can say can't complain. You can say couldn't be better. So far so good. Suppose everything is fine in your life. You are not facing any problem. You can say I'm doing great. Another informal way is I'm fit as a fiddle. It's an idiom. Fit as a fiddle mean healthy, strong and full of energy. The best I can be, assuming you are at the best too. You can say way better than I deserve. You can say I'm not sure yet. Surviving, I guess. These expressions shows that you have some problem. I'm well enough to chat with you if you wish to. I would be lying if I said I'm fine. You can say different days, same existence. Now I'm going to tell you how would you respond to how are you or how are you doing professionally in an email. You can say I'm doing great, thanks for asking, how about you? Or I'm doing very well, thanks for asking. Expressing our emotions through language is an important aspect of human communication. I am fine, thank you has become a common phrase, and it doesn't always accurately reflect our feelings. So, next time when you are asked, how are you doing? Take a moment to think about how you are really feeling and respond in a way that reflects your true emotions. Try using these creative responses. This will add a touch of personality to your conversation. This shows that you appreciate the other person's concerns for your well being. Choose one that fits your mood and personality. By the way, I have created a complete playlist of my videos featuring replacement of overused expressions and using alternate phrases. Do check it out in my playlist. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe and share.